Welcome to the channel, 12 Rules for Life. An Antidote to Chaos is a self-help book written by Canadian psychologist and Professor Jordan B. Peterson. The book aims to provide guidance for individuals seeking to find meaning and purpose in life. The author draws upon his expertise in psychology, neuroscience, and mythology to offer practical advice on how to live a fulfilling and meaningful life. The 12 rules Peterson presents in the book are: 1. Stand up straight with your shoulders back. 2. Treat yourself like someone you are responsible for helping. 3. Make friends with people who want the best for you. 4. Compare yourself to who you were yesterday, not to who someone else is today. 5. Do not let your children do anything that makes you dislike them. 6. Set your house in perfect order before you criticize the world. 7. Pursue what is meaningful, not what is expedient. 8. Tell the truth, or at least don't lie. 9. Assume that the person you are listening to might know something you don't. 10. Be precise in your speech. 11. Do not bother children when they are skateboarding. 12. Pet a cat when you encounter one on the street. Let's dive deep into each step one by one. The first rule, stand up straight with your shoulders back, is about physical posture and its impact on one's mental and emotional state. Peterson argues that a confident posture can help individuals feel more confident and in control of their lives. The second rule, treat yourself like someone you are responsible for helping, stresses the importance of self-care and compassion. The author argues that individuals should treat themselves with kindness and understanding, just as they would treat someone they care about. The third rule, make friends with people who want the best for you, stresses the importance of surrounding oneself with positive and supportive relationships. Peterson argues that toxic relationships can cause chaos and undermine one's well-being, whereas positive relationships can provide a sense of comfort and stability. The fourth rule, compare yourself to who you were yesterday, not to who someone else is today, emphasizes the importance of self-reflection and self-improvement. Peterson argues that individuals should focus on their own growth and development, rather than comparing themselves to others. The fifth rule, do not let your children do anything that makes you dislike them, is about parenting and the importance of setting appropriate boundaries. Peterson argues that parents should strive to maintain positive relationships with their children, while also guiding them to make positive choices and become responsible individuals. The sixth rule, set your house in perfect order before you criticize the world, stresses the importance of personal responsibility. Peterson argues that individuals should focus on addressing their own problems and flaws before seeking to change the world. The seventh rule, pursue what is meaningful, not what is expedient, is about the importance of finding purpose and meaning in life. Peterson argues that individuals should strive to find activities and pursuits that bring them a sense of fulfillment, rather than simply pursuing what is easy or convenient. The eighth rule, tell the truth, or at least don't lie, emphasizes the importance of honesty and integrity. Peterson argues that individuals should strive to be truthful and genuine in their interactions with others. The ninth rule, assume that the person you are listening to might know something you don't, is about humility and the importance of listening to others. Peterson argues that individuals should strive to be open-minded and respectful of others' perspectives. The 10th rule, be precise in your speech, is about the importance of speaking clearly and concisely. Peterson argues that individuals should strive to communicate their thoughts and ideas in a manner that is easily understood by others. This will help to prevent misunderstandings and improve communication. The 11th rule, do not bother children when they are skateboarding, is about respecting others and their activities. Peterson argues that individuals should respect the activities of others, even if they do not personally participate in them or understand them. This shows respect for the person and their choices. The 12th rule, pet a cat when you encounter one on the street, is about embracing joy and the simple pleasures in life. Peterson argues that individuals should take time to appreciate the small things in life, such as a friendly pet, as it can bring happiness and calmness to an otherwise hectic day. In conclusion, the 12 rules from 12 Rules for Life emphasize the importance of communication, respect for others, and finding joy in the simple things in life. Peterson argues that following these rules can lead to a more fulfilling and harmonious life. Hope you liked our content, and thank you for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. For more updates, hit the notification bell.